Good afternoon, viewers. This is Bigtoyo Computer Technology. Here we have HP elitebook 1030 G3 x360 convertible. A customer brought the laptop for repair. Says the laptop power on, shows all the keys lights but not displaying on the screen. And we also power it on to confirm, and we discovered that still it's not showing. So we are still going through some processing to confirm if the issue is from the screen and since it's inbuilt RAM and processor, so we felt we should take time to check very well before we eventually lose the system for further troubleshooting. So we have decided to lose the system to check what might really be the cause. So we removed the battery. Since it's inbuilt, we tried to power it off, it wasn't going through, and we decided to check through the board, check what can really be the cause. So unfortunately, we discovered that the flex connector for the screen flex connector on the board has gotten burnt, maybe due to one or two reasons, and that is it there. You can see from there. Sorry for the poor camera view. So that's it. I felt from what I'm seeing here, it's a liquid, maybe a liquid substance fall on it, and I don't know how it all got into that aspect, but so that is it. And now we need to find a way to resolve that, so we can rectify that for the customer. I will try to use soda iron and lead paste to soften that, and then we'll come up with the idea with removing damaged screen connector, and exactly the same way we'll remove it to fix on the board. So hopefully that will solve the issue. So now we've decided to get our hand dirty. We took a spare damaged screen and we decided to remove the screen connector from it, since it's the same thing, has same flex, same leg connector, same numbers. So we decided to remove it and place it on the board. Here we are removing the damaged connector from the modern board and using the workstation with lead paste and picker, because it's going to give a hot temperature heat, and we have to be very careful in order not to damage the connector pin. As you can see, when we pick up the flex connector, the damaged one, we have to be very careful so that it's not going to pull with the teeth on the board, so we can easily place another one on it. We have to clean it with methylated and cotton board, so you can easily have a fast dry surface. Then apply another paste and put the new connector on it and solder it. So it's not an easy job, or if you're a technician, I believe you got it right. Just to give ourselves an hint on how we can go about this. Here I've placed the new connector on it, and I'm trying to check through the magnifier if everything is placed correctly. So, and I had to first use the meeting point, the hard side. I use it to grip the leg first, so that the teeth will not miss. Then we'll be able to have everything in justification line, so everything is going to be in the proper line. We're not going to miss first leg to the second leg while hitting it up. So for the technicians who are more expert than me, I believe this is going to be more easier. And for the upcoming one, I believe when they take time to go through this video, it's to enlighten them more and give them more courage to fix a fault like this.
Please like and subscribe for more videos. Your idea and advice is also welcome. We learn more by teaching others.